When you're skiing or snowboarding, your goggles are one of the most important pieces of gear you'll wear. A good pair of ski goggles does much more than protect your eyes from snow and wind. They help improve visibility, reduce glare from bright snow, and make it easier to read the terrain ahead. If you've ever tried to shop for ski goggles online, you probably noticed how many choices there are. Different lens technologies, frame styles, and price ranges can make the decision feel confusing. Some goggles cost less than $20, while premium models can cost over $200. So which ones are actually worth buying? In this video, I'm breaking down 7 of the best ski goggles for every budget, from affordable, beginner-friendly options to high-end goggles packed with advanced technology. I focused on features that really matter on the mountain, like lens clarity, anti-fog performance, comfort, field of view, and helmet compatibility. Whether you're preparing for your first ski trip or upgrading your gear for the season, there's something on this list for you. Let's start with the most affordable option. Number 7 on the list is the Findway ski goggles, which are the best budget choice for riders who want solid performance at a very affordable price. Even though these goggles are inexpensive, they still include several useful features. One of the highlights is the double lens construction, which helps reduce fogging and creates insulation against cold air. The outer lens includes a reflective mirror coating that helps reduce glare from bright snow, while the inner lens is designed with anti-fog materials to maintain clear vision. Fogging is one of the most common issues riders experience, especially during active runs. To help prevent that, Findway designed these goggles with a ventilation system that improves airflow inside the frame. This airflow helps remove moisture and maintain clear visibility throughout the day. Another advantage is the wide spherical lens design, which offers a larger field of view compared with smaller lenses. This allows riders to see more of their surroundings while skiing or snowboarding. Comfort is also well addressed. The goggles include triple-layer foam padding that sits comfortably against the face while blocking cold wind. They also feature an OTG design, meaning they can fit comfortably over prescription glasses. The adjustable strap includes silicone backing so the goggles stay securely in place on a helmet. Considering the price and strong customer reviews, the Findway ski goggles are an excellent entry-level option for beginners or casual winter sports enthusiasts. Next up at number 6 is the Giro Roam, which is one of the best entry-level goggles from a trusted snow sports brand. Giro designed the Roam to deliver reliable performance while keeping the design simple and comfortable. One of the standout features is expansion view technology, also known as EXV. This design reduces the bulk around the edges of the goggles, allowing riders to see more of the mountain without constantly turning their head. That wider peripheral vision can help improve awareness on crowded slopes. Another helpful feature is that the Roam goggles include 2 interchangeable lenses. One lens works well in sunny conditions, while the second lens is designed for cloudy or low-light environments. Being able to switch lenses helps riders maintain better visibility as weather conditions change. The goggles also include a special anti-fog coating to help prevent moisture buildup during active riding. For comfort, Giro uses double-layer face foam with a soft micro-fleece lining, creating a snug fit that feels comfortable during long days on the mountain. These goggles are also OTG compatible, allowing riders to wear prescription glasses underneath. The strap includes silicone grips that help keep the goggles securely positioned over a helmet. Overall, the Giro Roam is a dependable and affordable option for riders who prefer buying gear from well-known brands. Number 5 on the list is the Giro Blok, which stands out for its retro-inspired design and strong optical performance. While many modern ski goggles use frameless, futuristic designs, the Blok brings a classic look while still delivering modern technology. The key highlight here is vivid lens technology, developed by Giro in partnership with Zeiss. This lens system enhances contrast and definition on snow, helping riders see terrain features more clearly. It works by filtering specific light wavelengths, allowing contrast-enhancing light through while blocking harmful UV rays. This helps riders identify bumps, shadows, and changes in snow texture more easily. The Blok goggles also feature an injection-molded cylindrical lens, which improves optical clarity while reducing distortion. To maintain visibility in changing conditions, the lens includes both scratch-resistant and anti-fog coatings. The frame is designed to integrate smoothly with Giro helmets, creating a comfortable and secure fit. For riders who appreciate a classic look but still want modern lens technology, the Giro Blok is a stylish and capable option. Moving into the mid-range category, number 4 on the list is the Smith Squad, which offers excellent value and strong optical clarity. The Smith Squad features a semi-rimless frame design that allows for a larger cylindrical lens and wider field of view. This design helps riders see more of the terrain ahead, improving awareness and control. One of the biggest advantages of the Squad goggles is Smith's ChromaPop lens technology. This system enhances contrast and natural colors, making terrain details easier to recognize. Shadows, ridges, and snow variations appear more defined, which helps riders react more quickly. The Squad goggles also include 2 interchangeable lenses, allowing riders to adjust for both bright sunlight and low-light conditions. The lenses feature moisture-resistant coatings to improve anti-fog performance and make them easier to clean. Smith also designed these goggles to integrate well with Smith helmets, improving ventilation and airflow. Overall, the Smith Squad offers impressive optical clarity and performance at a reasonable price. Number 3 on the list is the Oakley Target Line L, which brings premium optical technology to a mid-range price. Oakley is well known for its eyewear innovation, and the Target Line L delivers a wide field of view with a clean, low-profile frame. The goggles use Oakley high-definition optics, often called HDO, which helps reduce distortion and improve clarity across the entire lens surface. This technology allows riders to see terrain more accurately compared with standard lenses. The lens is made from Oakley plutonite material, which provides full UV protection and strong impact resistance. Comfort is also a priority. The goggles include triple-layer face foam with a moisture-wicking fleece lining, helping keep riders comfortable during long sessions on the mountain. The frame also includes discrete notches that allow most prescription glasses to fit comfortably underneath. With strong optics and a comfortable design, the Oakley Target Line L offers excellent value in the mid-range category. Number 2 on the list is the Anon M4 Toric, which is known for its advanced lens technology and versatility. One of the standout features is the MagnaTech magnetic lens system, which allows lenses to snap into place quickly and securely. This design makes it very easy to swap lenses when lighting conditions change throughout the day. The M4 Toric also includes perceived lens technology, which enhances contrast and terrain clarity. The Toric lens shape improves optical precision while expanding peripheral vision. Anon also includes advanced anti-fog technology and ventilation channels to keep airflow moving and prevent condensation buildup. The goggles use triple-layer face foam for comfort and include moisture-managing fleece to help control humidity. Another unique feature is magnetic face mask integration, which allows compatible face masks to attach directly to the goggles. With advanced optics and convenient lens swapping, the Anon M4 Toric is one of the most versatile premium ski goggles available. Finally, number 1 on the list is the Smith 4D Mag XL, which offers one of the widest fields of view in ski goggles today. Smith designed these goggles with bird's eye vision, a technology that increases the field of view by about 25%. This expanded visibility allows riders to see more of the terrain below and around them. The goggles also feature ChromaPop lens technology, which improves contrast and natural color for better terrain recognition. Smith's Mag Lens Change system allows riders to quickly swap lenses using magnets while keeping them securely locked in place. Each pair includes an additional lens designed for low-light conditions. The goggles also include ventilation systems and moisture-resistant coatings to help prevent fogging. Comfort features include a quick-fit strap adjustment system and a wide silicone back strap that keeps the goggles secure on a helmet. With its wide field of view, premium optics, and innovative design, the Smith 4D Mag XL stands out as the best overall option on this list. Choosing the right ski goggles ultimately depends on your budget and riding style. Budget riders may prefer the Findway goggles, while trusted brands like Giro offer reliable entry-level options. Mid-range buyers will find excellent value in the Smith Squad and Oakley Target Line L. And for riders who want the most advanced technology available, the Anon M4 Toric and Smith 4D Mag XL deliver premium performance. A great pair of goggles can dramatically improve your visibility and confidence on the mountain. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more research-based product comparisons that help you make smarter buying decisions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.